Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. The project that we are going to talk about in this video is called Layerium. This is a project that provides scalability solution to the blockchains. So in this video, we're going to talk about the potential of this project, the solution that it has to offer, the scaling solution that are basically compatible with any EVM blockchain. So we're gonna talk about what changes this is going to bring, and we're gonna talk about this overall project. So make sure that you keep on watching till the end. And if you, of course, like the video, make sure that you give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll really appreciate it. And as always, anything that I'm gonna say in this video is not going to be an investment or a financial advice. So always do your own investigation and research. And with this out of the way, let's get right into it. Now, this is the official website of Layerium. It says the next generation layer 2 blockchain. So in the past videos, we have talked about multiple problems that blockchain faces, especially when we talk about the trilemma that we have in blockchain. One of the issues most blockchains faces and are compromised with is scaling. So what Layerium is doing is it is offering the solution that is basically compatible with any EVM compatible blockchain. So it says the existing layer 2 can only solve the scalability problem on one blockchain. Now, when we talk about Ethereum, the problem that people face on Ethereum, the layer 2 fixes it, but only on one blockchain, not on everyone else. What Layerium is doing is that the solution that it is providing, the layer 2 solution, it is compatible with all of the EVM compatible blockchains. So it fixes this issue in more blockchains. So it says it can solve the problem by creating a layer 2 that can work within any EVM blockchain. So just like we have the issue that is covered in Ethereum by the layer 2 solution, it will be covered on any other blockchain that is EVM compatible. So by just creating a layer 2 on it. If you talk about the security, first of all, the scalability problem is no more because of this. It says with the optimistic rollup security remains at the same level as the existing layer 2. Then the governance, it is enabled on the optimistic, and which makes it fair for all the users, and they get the right to vote on proposals and overall blockchain. If we talk about the transaction speed, it is designed to accelerate the network. It offers transaction speeds that can compete with the existing layer 2. And if you talk about the interoperability, it allows the Layerium, it allows to communicate with any EVM. So it is so if we talk about the interoperability, we already have discussed that it is compatible over all of the EVM compatible blockchain. So it says outstanding inter-blockchain communication capabilities that allow Layerium to communicate with any EVM or Ethereum virtual machine. That's what EVM stands for. There is no restriction. There is no limitation. You can cross anywhere. It says that it turns a limitation into infinite possibilities. Now these are the the partnerships that they have. They will be making more and more. So whenever they do make the partnerships, this is where we'll be able to see that. It is backed by Loop Network Labs so far, and a wide range of amazing projects, powerful exchange, which will be added in here soon. So it is developed by developers, and it is developed for developers, so they can use and build something amazing. The developers, this is really facilitating their job. Applications that already exist in the EVM can easily be ported here. That is the, what can I say, perk of Ethereum virtual machine and the blockchains that are compatible with it, because they use the same language to execute the application. So it doesn't matter in which blockchain you were. If it was EVM compatible, you'll be able to easily port it on this. So I think that's a really amazing perk, an amazing benefit that we have. Now, this is something, if we talk about the potential of this project, we have just briefly studied what it has to offer. And we know scalability is one of the biggest problems that blockchains are facing and have been facing in the past. And they always have been finding a solution to it. Layer 2, that is a really good solution that was offered, and it is currently working. But the problem with it is that it only works on the blockchain, on one blockchain. With Layerium, all of the EVM compatible blockchain can take a benefit of the layer 2 now, which I think is really amazing. And again, if when we talk about the potential of a project and the demand for a project, it should have something to offer that people really need. And this by far is one of the biggest thing that we need in crypto and blockchain industry. So they are actually going through their audit phase from Certic. So they'll be getting the audit. It is 37% done so far. So it will be, this basically ensures that they don't have anything to hide. They have everything in the open, and it currently is evaluated, being evaluated by experts. So we do have the native token here, and here are the tokenomics for it, which are really important. So we have 60% for PancakeSwap liquidity so that it can be traded. Then we have 22% migration from APT. We have 5% for admin and team. We have 12% for listing purpose. And then we have 1% for staking event. So this is the allocation that we have for the native token of Layerium. We have information about the roadmap here, which we're going to take a look at right now. So these are the things that are currently planned, in progress, and completed. So we have, it says first centralized exchange listed, audit with well-known auditor, which is in progress, Bitmart listing, CoinMarketCap listing, and Certic audit. So these are the things that are done. Now these are the things that are in progress. Investigate existing optimistic rollup layer 2. This is a listing event. There's another listing event. It says HMNX. I'm guessing they're keeping it confidential so far. So these are the listings that we have. And I'm guessing these are the initials of the exchange that we have, which I can currently guess which one they are. But I mean, if they haven't listed it, let's just not, put it out in the open. And CoinGecko listing. So these are in progress. And these are the ones that are currently planned. So we have software development kit, client for blockchain interactions, which is something developers really need, and they're the one that will be focusing on this. Prepare, testnet, delivery running the fork procedure on nodes, update block scout user interface, end-to-end testing, deploy latest version of Get locally, implement the procedure for forking Get to optimistic rollup. So there's a lot of things and a lot of complicated things that we have coming in the future of this. But overall, if we talk about the whole project, when we talk about the potential, it needs to offer something that people really need. And this by far, as I said before, is something that people need, they will be using, projects will be using, developers will be using, and the native token, it will be coming in use one way or another in this. And so far we have seen these are the coins that goes up in value, that are basically in the top 10 cryptocurrencies that we have. So I think this is a really good opportunity and a good solution that is going to change how the whole industry work. So make sure that you check this out. I'll give you guys all the links that will be in the description. And yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.